So guys, I earned my first million at the age of 27. I have 4 running businesses as of the moment. At parang na-crack ko na yung code guys on how to become a millionaire at a very young age. Sobrang dali lang pala. All you guys need to do is follow this. Trust me, if you follow this and if you focus on this sa mga sinasabi ko, you will become the first millionaire in your family. Okay? Number 1 is health. Always prioritize your health. Kasi kahit anong mangyari guys, if you are not on your full potential, if you are not on your full form, nonsense yung mga plano mo. What is 1 million? What is 2 million, 3 million if you're not healthy? Okay? If you're healthy, you can think clearly, you can perform well, your body is in full potential, your body is in full force, so yun, ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. Alright? Number 2 guys is connection. As much as possible, build connection. If sumama ka sa 4 na laseng, ikaw yung pang 5 laseng. If sumama ka sa 4 na milyonaryo, ikaw yung pang 5 milyonaryo. That's how the world works. That's how law of attraction works. Okay? So sumama ka sa mga taong with the same mindset, you have the same goals, okay? You have the same plans in the future. Marami ka kasing learnings matututo, tapos you're in the same environment, di ba? So try to adjust yourself, try to make yourself na mag-fit ka to them. Okay? So sumama ka sa mga taong yun. Alright? So if you have, may mga kakilala kang mga tao into business, then go with them. That's good. Alright? Number 3 is never be afraid to lose money. Okay? Guys, be a risk taker. Never be afraid to lose money kasi di naman mag-grow yung pera mo kung di mo siya igagastos. Always think of this guys, a win-win situation. If you invest into business, if you fail, that's good. Isipin mo that's a learning. Okay? If that grows, then keep on growing. Expand, expand, expand. Problema kasi ng mga tao guys is takot sila mag-spend ng pera into business, ganito, ganyan. Diba? Pero di sila takot mag-spend ng iPhone. Bili ng iPhone, pag iPhone 16, paglabas, 80,000, 90,000, spend agad, diba? Nakakash pa. Pero when it comes to business, you can start business 40,000, 50,000, diba? Mini business. So, again guys, be a risk taker kasi di ka naman mag-grow if di mo sisimulan eh. Kailan ka magsisimula? Stagnant ka lang dyan. Nagsuscroll-scroll ka lang dyan sa social media. Wala kang ginagawa. Again, guys, this 2025, make the most out of it. At least may matry ka man lang isa. I know you can do it. If we can do it, I know you can do it. Trust me, guys. Follow these steps. Follow these advices because daan ko na to. It surely works 100%. Okay? Number 1, prioritize your health. Number 2, build connection. Fix your mindset. Sumama ka sa mga taong with the same plans, same goals, same mindset as you. Number 3, take risk. You need to be a risk taker. Never ever be afraid to spend money. Okay? 2025 is ours. This is yours. You can do it. Trust me. See you at the top.